Hello guys, welcome back. So today's lesson we are going to look on trading strategies. So our previous lesson we discussed on support and resistance, in which I show you how to set short entry and how to set long entry. So as you already know, in our previous lesson I told you that support is the phrase where when the price come to the support level, it will likely to when it bounce, it will likely to go off. And also I told you that resistance is a place where anytime the price reach the levels, we expect price to bounce and drop down. So in today's lesson we are going to look on trading strategy. As you already know, no matter how many time you've been studying the market, if you don't have specific strategy that you will hold, it will be difficult for you to become professional trader or to become profitable trader, because switching strategy from time to time will lead to too many losses. But when you hold 1 to 2 strategy that used to appear daily or time to time in a market, it will help you to become profitable trader. So in this lecture I will try as much as possible to show you some strategies that I used to use it in my trading career, and those strategies I tested them one by one uh, in some times, and many times when I use the strategies it show me good results. So my profit is greater than my losses, because you already know that no matter how much, no matter how, no matter who you are in this space, you can lose. But what we suppose, if you are a good trader, your loss cannot be greater than your win. So that's the reason why if you stick in some specific strategies that used to appear in the market time to time, it will help you to become profitable trader. So let us go dive into the lesson directly, in which I will show you the strategies one by one. We have three classifications of patterns. We have reversal patterns, we have continuation patterns, and also we have bilateral patterns. So let's go back to pattern number one. Reversal pattern is the pattern that whenever you see it in the market, means the price will reverse to the opposite directions. Like take for example, you see such kind of pattern during bullish, so definitely it indicates that the price will start dropping to the downward. And also when you see such kind of pattern in the bearish, so it indicates that the price will definitely rise up. So let's show you what are the bullish reversal pattern and what are the bearish reversal pattern. So these three patterns are the bullish reversal patterns, which means that whenever you see these three patterns in the bullish market, definitely we expect that price to reverse to the downward. What you will do at that time, you will just open your position, set your stop loss and target. When you see pattern number one is we have double top. Whenever the current price is bullish, when you see it forms double top. So definitely what you will do is just plot your trend line like this, put your stop loss and your target. And also whenever you see head and shoulder in the upward direction, it indicates that the price will drop to the downward, and they show you how to trade it. When you see it, you will put your stop loss there, your entry and your target. Also when you see also also that are the pattern that you will trade when the market is bearish. When you see it, definitely it indicates that the market will start going to the upward direction. Number one is double bottom. So double bottom is the opposite of double top. Double top, we find it when the market is bullish, and double bottom, we find it when the market is bearish. It indicates that the current price will definitely reverse to the opposite direction. So that are the three, the opposite of bullish patterns. We have double bottom, we have inverted head and shoulder, we have piling wedge. And also let's go to the another one. So we have continuation patterns. That continuation pattern means the current price will continue from the direction that it is, which means if the price is bullish, when you see this kind of pattern, you will open a long position and continue making bull. Another pattern number one is we have Pelling wedge. Pelling wedge is a pattern that it used to appear in the market whenever market is bullish. When you see Pelling wedge, it indicates that the market will continue bullish, and when you see bullish rectangle, it indicates the market will continue to the upside and to the upward. They indicate how to trade it. Put your stop loss there, entry, and your target. Also, pennant, bullish pennant is the kind pattern that when you see it in the market during bulls, it indicates that market will continue to the upward direction as it before. And also we have bearish continuation pattern. Bearish continuation pattern, number one, we have rising wedge. When you see rising wedge during bearish, it indicates that market will continue falling, it will continue being bearish. So you will definitely open your short position by putting your stop loss in the place you set your trend line, your entry after breakup, and your target is previous low. And also we have bearish rectangle. The way you trade rising wedge is the way you will trade bearish rectangle. So let's go to the final one, which is bilateral patterns. When we say bilateral patterns, it's the kind of pattern that you can trade it in either bullish or bearish. You can trade it whenever you see it. It indicates the market can go upward and the market can be downward. What you will see, what you consider is just wait for the breakout. When it break the direction that it break, so just take your trade in this direction. When it break to the upside, means why the price will go bullish. When it break to the downside, means why the price will go bearish. So those kind of pattern are the pattern that I used to apply it in my chart, because that pattern definitely is appearing in the market time to time. So let's go to the current chart so that I can show you how to trade these my favorite patterns. Those three patterns is my favorite patterns. I used to apply it in my chart time to time and it show me the same result. Let's go to the live chart to show you how to trade it. Yo, this is BTC chart, the father of all cryptocurrency coins. So let's dive into the BTC chart so that I can show you this my favorite three chart patterns. Okay, let us zoom in so that you can see how I traded it in BTC time to time. Let's take, for example, let's take this one. When you see what it showed that among that three bilateral patterns, this is what we call pennant. This is what we call pennant. So how are you going to trade this kind of patterns? So I use 4-hour time frame to trade this kind of pattern. I show you how to set your time frame. This is 4-hour time frame. The reason why I use 4-hour time frame is 4-hour time frame is a time frame that most often any manipulation, it is when you see the confirmation in this time frame, so it is hardly to be in manipulations. Any manipulation can happen in 15-minute time frame, 1-minute time frame, 2-minute time frame, up to 30-minute time frame, 1-hour time frame. But 4-hour time frame, when you see the confirmation, is hardly the analysis to against you. So definitely we use trend line to find this kind of patterns. Then as you see, I deleted it before. So this is what we call trend line. In our previous lesson, I show you how to set this one. So definitely when you see the price start ranging, consolidation in the same place, no expansion, no reversal, no. So just use your trend line and plot to see which kind of pattern it will give you. So definitely I use my trend line like this. When you set your trend line in the downward, then come to the upward and put your trend line. When you put your trend line, as you see, it gives us that pattern, which is pennant. So how did we expect that this pennant it will be valid? The reason why I use 4-hour time frame is you will wait for the breakout. When you wait for the breakout, so make sure the candlestick that break your trend line, make sure you wait for that particular candlestick time to end. When it end and close above your trend line, so definitely open your, when you see it in the short, when it breaks your trend line to the downward, definitely choose your short positions, and put it. When it close like this, this particular candle close above trend line, so definitely when it close, open your short positions, and what else? When you open your short positions, put your stop loss half of the patterns. Your take profit will not be far away. Put it like this. You take your profit. You see, I chop this one on BTC. And also, when you see here, it's another pattern that BTC form. Is form this pattern. I use my trend line. Let me remove this one to show you how I trade it. I use my trend line. You see, BTC form it like this. So definitely when you see BTC forming the chart like this, plot your trend line like this, and you do so, and also this and this and this. Not this one. When you put your trend line and this and this and this, you put it. So definitely what did you see? You see this particular candlestick. Start pumping. Don't go direct and enter in the market order when you see the particular candlestick break your trend line. Just have patience and wait for that particular candlestick to close above your trend line, so that when you see it close, definitely go and open your position in a market order. Because sometimes a particular candle can break your trend line, but at the time that this time frame of that candlestick will close, and it will go back to the inside range of that trend line. Let's take for example this one. This particular candlestick break the trend line, but at the end the time frame didn't reach end, but it go back to the range and close inside your trend line. So that's the reason why I say I most likely use 4-hour time frame when it comes to my analysis. So definitely you see like this, just plot your long entry. As you see this one, I chop it also before. Put your stop loss half of the range, and your take profit will be the previous high. This like this. As you already see, I chop this one also, pull TP hit. And also if you see it, the price continues going upward direction. And also if you see here, it forms another angle like this. You see it, if you see it before, you see it form an angle. Let's go to the one of our time frame so that the angle will come clearly, so that you can understand it correct. Okay. So you see the same way that I show you. Definitely when the particular candlestick break and close above, just open your entry, go long. And also if it is short, open your short entry and short the coins. I have 100% assurance that most often if you see such kind of patterns appear in the market, it will hardly to against your analysis. You see most often BTC like these angles. BTC respected it. Anytime you see this angle BTC forming, it used to respect. And you see this is another one. I chop it also. And also let me show you all the results. This one the same. It forms, and I wait the current candlestick that closed above. And also open your long entry, put your stop loss half of the range, take profit as you see. And also the same way you see, this is another angle that BTC form. You set your trend line. When it breaks, put your long entry, set your TP half of the range. Mind you, I told you, see, make sure you wait for the candlestick that breaks, and what close above or beneath, so that to open your position. No matter how, if you enter without that particular candle that break to close, you will end up losing somehow, because sometimes there is peg breakout. When you enter in peg breakout, share you collect. But when you exercise patience, you will see price being wee to your directions. So as you already see, this is my result on BTC. It making angles anytime BTC respect angle. As you see, anytime BTC respect angle. So this 3 bilateral chart patterns, I like it, I trade it. So let me go to another chart, another coin, so that I can show you it is happening in different chart. As you see, this is Solana. Also Solana here, it forms these particular angles. I wait this particular candle that break and close. When it close, what you will do, just open your long position, put your stop loss half of the angles like this. Take profit previous high like this. This is our previous high. Set your stop loss there. It's our previous high. Set your stop loss, take profit there, pull TP hit, as you already see. So this is how to trade This is how to trace angles. Angle is simple. Is the time pattern that used to appear time to time in the market. As you already see, this is another angle. It happens, and I suffer. This is another angle. So let me go to the final one that I will show you. Let me check two more. I will show you two more. I chop double top. This is the double top. I chop double top, as you already see. Double top, it is forming. Just wait. Don't you have to exercise patience if you it comes to trading. So you have to exercise patience to have 100% confirmation. Two more, make double top, double button. See, we then wait, plot your trend line, wait for the breakup, candlestick on the 4-hour time frame, close, then open your long entry. Set your TP. As you already, I set my TP, and also I chopper. As you already see, I chopper. So you see, this is another pattern, that two more under continuous pattern. We have, this is what we call bullish flag. I chop this bullish flag. I wait for this particular candlestick that break and close above 4-hour time frame, then set your long position. Definitely when it close, boom, half of the angle, then set your take profit and SL, boom, you don't chop, we price, boom. And also, let me go back. As you see, already see, this chart is happening. This pattern is legit pattern. If you master this pattern, you will trade successfully and you will enjoy your trading. You will be profitable, inshallah. So let me go to the final coin that I will show you the result. Let me go to blue. Let us go to blue. Okay, this is blue. Let me show you. I saw blue up and down. I give you bulala. So as you already see, blue make it. This is another angle. As you already see, this is another angle. Plot your angle like this. Plot your angle like this. Boom. Plot your angle like this. As you already see, what did you see? This particular candlestick break under what 4-hour time frame and close. Then what you will do? Run. Plot your short entry. Plot your what? Short entry. Plot your short entry. Definitely when the coins break, then your TP, your SL, half of the coin, your SL, half of the angle. In case, as you already see, these patterns give you almost 70% accuracy. You see, this is another pattern. When I chop this one, also this is another pattern. See, you see trouble blue do giveaway at that time. You see your confirmation 4-hour time frame candlestick, wait for it to close. As you already see, this pattern again is closed. Open your long entry, then what else? Boom, you chop. You already see it is appearing. Anyway, you just exercise patience and don't be too greedy. If you consider there, this pattern, this particular candlestick break in 4-hour time frame and did not close above. When you enter, definitely you know the patient that particular candlestick pressure, I swear you collect. You collect. Oh, that's what I show you. Any manipulation is happening under 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, when it closed, there is no any manipulation about at that time. As you already see, this particular candlestick did what peg breakout. So that is the reason why I like 4-hour time frame. I like it well. So you see now this 4-hour time frame close what above. Then what you will do, just open your short position there. Definitely boom, your TP. Okay, short position. Definitely what boom, your SL half. Don't mind. Oh, TP. As you see massive TP like this. Ooh, you shove. So this is the way we trade this. This kind process that you will follow to trade successfully using these 3 bilateral triangle, and the rest of patterns is happening and is working 100%. But me, I prepared these 3 patterns. Bullish, I prepared these 3 ascending and descending triangle and what peanut. And sometimes I use double bottom and sometimes I use them, but definitely I prefer to put more money whenever I see this 3 kind of pattern forming in the chart. So as you already know, the way we used to find long entry, I show you. You will click on long. When you click on long, your stop loss is this zone. What this zone that is red, this is what indicates your stop loss. So this is the value. This is the value that you will take. Yeah. So I already show you how to do all these things. So don't mind. Let's catch it. This is the end of this season. I know, inshallah, when you watch what we did for you guys, inshallah, you will become independent traders. When you hold all these 2 things and 3 that we taught you before and now, I teach you how to find support and resistance of the coins. Also, if you hold support and resistance, even support and resistance, you will get a lot of money. And also now I show you how to trade strategies. I show you how to trade what strategies. As you already see, I like this. It's another angle. I chop it up and down. So don't play with this angle far. Wallahi, I swear. Don't play. Kada ku yi wasa da wa'innan angulan. Definitely na samu kuɗi da angulan nan sosai. Because in 4-hour time frame kuma moving kaɗan za a ganka da wani 200%, 300%, 400%. Aha. Because akwai lokacin da za ka ga coins bai da support bai da resistance. Dole da angula ake trading din shi. Shi ne dalilin da ya sa ai. So duk coins ɗin da bai da support and resistance, yanzu a ce ka nemo support and resistance na wannan na nan chart ɗin nan da yayi. Kaga ai baka wahala, because coins yana canza salo ne time to time. Idan ya yi rangin nan gun ya bada support and resistance, to gaba in ya tashi ba support and resistance zai bada ba. So wannan shine. So na yi trading da wa'innan abubuwan guda 3 da kuka gani. So na samu kuɗi kuma sosai, kuma na san kuma insha Allah inda kun bi hanyar da nake bi ina trading din wa'innan pattern din, so za ku samu kuɗi. Kun ga ma wannan RLC ba, as you already see. What is this? You see ascending triangle, boom, candlestick, 4-hour candlestick close above, my confirmation. Then what? Run. No, let me plug my entry, long entry during this zone, boom, stop loss half of the. You already see take profit, previous what high. This is previous high. This is my take profit, pull TP successfully. So don't play with it. So guys, yanzu ne muka kawo ƙarshen wannan zone din. Insha Allah wannan shine ƙarshen lecture mu akan technical analysis under retail strategy. Wannan shi ake kira da retailer strategies. Price action kenan. But akwai technical analysis yana da waya sosai. Akwai ICT concept, because ICT concept, you guys, you don't know this idea. ICT concept shine karshe inda gurin analysis ne, because a ICT concept ne zaka gane course tun kan ya fara pumping, zaka gane cewa course din nan tashi zai ko kuma faduwa zai. In kuka lura shi retail strategies nan da muke amfani da shi, definitely muna duba confirmation ne. Wani course din ma sai ya fara tashi sannan ne zaka gane cewa confirmation din nan za ya up 10 ne ko down 10. But idan mutum ya san ICT concept, kuma za ku ga wani lokacin using retail strategies nan, so wani lokacin za ku ga stop loss din yana yin yawa sosai da dai sauransu haka. But amma using ICT strategies, stop loss namu muna mai da shi tight ne sosai. So muna mai da shi tight ne sosai kuma so shi ma already na ce muku zan koya muku shi, but amma wannan ba yanzu ba. I have to settle many things ahead so that we can discuss on this, because ICT concept is not for lazy man. So ku ci gaba da mu a wannan channel din ta Software Crypto Campus, inda muke koya muku technical analysis step by step from the beginner guide up to the professional level. In yau ne zuwan ku na farko, ku daure ku kalli bidiyoyin mu na baya so that kuma ku danna mana subscribe, ku like, ku share. See you next watch.